And the race is on. We have Key Lager shows alertness at the start, moving up by the Really Celestial together with Queen's Gold. Then comes Lovable Tricia, followed now by entry number 7 Tor Azura by the Rail Federal Court. Then comes Prospector's Cat, King's Crown. Second last is Shame on You and Papillon is bringing up the rear. About to pass the last 800. Celestial Queen's Gold is on the outside. Running in third is Tor Azura. Then comes Lovable Tricia, Key Lager Federal Court. King's Crown running fourth last. Third last is Prospector's Cut. Shame on You and Papillon still running at the tail of the field. Heading towards the last 450. Queen's Gold this time by about 5 lengths. Running in second is Tor Azura, moving up on the outside. Key Lager together with Lovable Tricia, running by the Rail Federal Court. With the last 200 meters more to run, it's still Queen's Gold maintaining a 6 lengths lead. Moving up to take second is King's Crown. With the last 75 meters, it's still the favorite Queen's Gold, winning this race by about 2 over King's Crown. Shame on You took third. Then comes Tor Azura and Lovable Tricia for your Fentapecta.